Struggling to edit your Namecheap hero section? That big banner is your site's first impression, and honestly, it can feel like it's stuck in place. Let me show you exactly how to change it. We will start from your dashboard, navigate to the hero editor, and make the changes in just a few clicks. It sounds simple because it actually is. First, open your Namecheap dashboard. Go ahead and log in and look for the Website Builder section. You want to find the option that says Edit or Create Your Websites. Click on that. This is where all the magic happens, so take a second to make sure you are in the right spot. You will see your project waiting for you. Now click the highlighted area to proceed. It is usually the Edit button or a pencil icon right next to your website name. This will take you directly into the live editor, where you can see your site just as your visitors would. It might take a moment to load the interface, so be patient. Next, select the Hero section. You will see a list of all the different parts of your page. Look for the one labeled Hero. It is usually at the very top, and it controls that big headline, the background image, and the main text. Click on it. This opens up the editing panel on the side. Click on the Hero description text to edit it. See that block of text that says something like, "The hero is the most prominently placed piece of content on your website"? A successful hero is usually simple yet captivating. That is the default placeholder text. Click right on it. You can now type your own message. Keep it short and punchy. You want people to understand exactly what you offer within a few seconds. After editing, click Back to return. This saves your changes to that text and takes you up one level in the menu. It is a small button, usually an arrow pointing left at the top of the panel. Click back again to go to the main editor. This fully exits the hero settings and brings you back to the main editing view where you can see your entire page layout. Now your new text should be visible right there on the big banner. Now click the highlighted area to finalize. This part is important. You will see a specific button or area that confirms your edits. It might say Publish or Save. Click on it. And here is the really important part. Do not skip this step. If you just close the window, all of your changes will disappear. Finally, click Continue to save your changes. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure. Click Continue. Give it just a second to process and update your site. And that is it. You went from staring at a boring default hero to confidently customizing it with your own words. Now your site makes that strong first impression you were looking for. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next one.